How's it going?
Good. Put you over for your window tint.
Okay.
Alright, just need your license, registration, proof of insurance.
Okay. It's in my pocket. So.
Yeah, go ahead.
And then it's in my glove box.
Yeah, go ahead. This card's in your jar?
Yeah.
You did the roof on your own?
Yeah, I did. And insurance.
Where are you coming from?
I'm just coming from work.
Where do you work at?
Oh,
okay.
Yeah, closed up.
Which one?
Capital Expressway.
Oh,
Working, but you got all those McDonald's bags back there?
Oh, yeah. I mean, that's not my only job. I work at a Subaru, too.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, down the street. Let's see. I at least got a virtual one.
alright, just keep looking for it. We'll be right back, okay?
Okay. Yeah. Well, you guys, I was just leaving a closing shift from work, and I just got pulled over literally in my driveway for my window tints. Like, I'm literally at home right now. God, can you see them? I want to go ahead and remind you guys, it's literally 3 a.m., 3:20 in the morning. I just got wrecked, boys. Pulling over someone for tint at 3 in the morning.
Find it?
Oh, yeah, I got it.
Progressive?
Yeah.
That one's expired, but go ahead.
Wait, this one's expired?
Oh, 9 of 19 effective? It's all good, though.
Oh, it expires in the 12th.
Oh, okay, that's when
Yeah,
you got
yeah.
it. Oh, okay, that's when you got it.
Yeah. I gotta get a new policy, though.
No, it's
In
all
a couple
good.
days. Yeah.
As long as you have something. Some people don't have anything. Just in case you get in an accident. Alright, so it's just gonna be for the window tint. Just to fix the ticket, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so just go ahead and sign the red box on the bottom. There's a pin on top. Alright, so just get it fixed and get it signed off, alright?
Okay. Thank you.
Alright, have a good night.
You too. Dude, I'm so mad right now. Are you serious, dude? Like, you're gonna get me for my window tint at 3:20 in the morning in front of my house. I mean, I guess technically I was asking for it, but at the same time, like, I don't even have my actual camera with me, so yeah, so got to fix a ticket, and just for window tints, fix it ticket, whatever. That's rude. They noticed all of my fast food stuff in the back. Now I gotta get new tires, gotta take off my tint, then I gotta re-put that shit back on because why not, you know? It's cold out here. Let me get inside the house. Explain further, I guess. Not only did I get pulled over in front of my house, I freaking kicked down my LED. So now I gotta put that back up somehow. Okay, so it's super dark right now. I get pulled over right here. Right? I pull in right there. All right, you guys, we're back in the house. I guess it's just gonna be like an iPhone vlog. I have my other camera right here, but it's not really worth it pulling it out just for the next couple seconds. We got hit with the old pull them over at 3 a.m. halfway into his driveway for his window tint trick. Sure, it's happened to absolutely everybody. It sucks, to be honest. It's all good though, but luckily it wasn't something like an exhaust. I actually had a friend who got hit with an exhaust ticket after that one law was nullified, so it would become correctable again, and somehow the officer still gave him a state ref. He had no evidence that he took out his cats. I got lucky, kinda, but hey, it's just the name of the game. I'm gonna be taking them off, and then as soon as I get it done, I'm gonna put it right back on. But yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for the police department for giving me another video to shoot. So, peace out, you guys. I'll see you in the next video.